Hello, my name is Isabella Rochelle from the Bachelor's Degree Program in Foreign Language with emphasis in English in the Introduction to Linguistics course. I will be talking about speech sounds and semantics. Phonetics. The linguistic science that deals with the study of sound intersequential realization, their different characteristics and particularities, is known as phonetics. The root of the phonetic word is the Greek term phono, which means sound or voice. As such, phonetics is responsible for studying the sound that human voice utters, specifically their formation, characters, and singularities. Phonetics is divided into three branches: articulatory phonetics, acoustic phonetics, and auditory phonetics. Example of phonetics: talk, whole, castle, often, cup, look, arm, father, crumb, tomb. Phonology is the linguistic science that studies phonemes, that is, the mental representation that we all have of sound. It is a branch of linguistics that studies and describes the sound or allophone of a language. This also a study of how each of the articulation of the organ of speech should be used so that the sound can be said in an appropriate way according to their accent or intonation. Example of phonology: they are lovely, Islam, mother, and never. Thank you.